Hey guys, welcome back. In this class we're going to install Visual Studio Code for Windows, and I'm using the Insiders Edition. That is the latest build every day from Microsoft, very similar to the Chrome Canary. So I just have to hit here on download and we'll get the latest version. Of course, this will have a lot of updates, daily updates to be more precise. Now, once it's finished, we just have to click on this download and we prompt with the installation guide. Now, here we just if you want to read the terms and agreements, and I just accept it. I'm happy with the default location and with the name, so I just click next. Now, very important here, click add to path so we can start from the shell and then just install. And I'm going to show you what that click to path will do. And when it is finished, I'll just remove this. I don't want to launch it now, and I'm just going to finish. And if I go to my PowerShell, what you see is that now from here, I can just type code insiders, and here the .cmd just show because I pressed tab. But once I type code insights from whatever I am on my shell, I can open Visual Studio Code. And the nice thing is if I put a dot here and open the folder with all the documents we have there, and we're going to be seeing later on the course how to do this. But that's all for this class, and I'll see you guys on the next one.